So once you've completed the maze, obviously I have not quite done this yet because you can see that I haven't actually added any lines, but let's pretend that I have actually gone through and I have solved the maze. The way that I would share a link so that my teacher could see, first of all, it's very important to make sure that you are logged in. If you're not logged in, make sure you click the login with Google option and use your school email and it'll save it. So once you're logged in, you're going to want to click the save button. So it's going to save any changes that you made to your graph, including the solution that you got from adding horizontal and vertical lines to the end. And then you're going to go up to the address bar. You are going to hit Control C to copy that link. And then here on the daily reflection form, you are just going to go to that blank that says add a link to your completed maze, and you're going to hit Command V, and that will send me a copy of your completed maze.